Welcome back, everybody. It's Chad from The Right Line. I am underneath Chewy and I'm doing a little bit of repair work. I'm willing to bet you that if you've been underneath your Jeep at any point in time and you're doing anything in the back of that Jeep around the axles, you've probably had problems with that little connector right there. You betcha, that is the ABS connector on the back wheels. I'm sure a lot of you are shaking your head, and they have that little red safety tab right there. Well, this one's missing the little black piece underneath, which releases it from the sensor. Why? Well, because I broke it. And it just so happens that I found replacements on Amazon. They're a Crown product, but these are replacement plugs. And I'll be putting the part number down below because I'm guessing if you haven't already broken one of those two little tabs right there, you will. Okay, so I've pulled the wiring harness out enough that I can actually work on it. And the important thing is that we want to make sure that we're reconnecting the correct terminals on each plug so that the ABS module is getting the right signal from the sensor. Some might argue that since it's a sensor, it doesn't know the difference between right and left. I'm just going to be consistent. All right, so to do this job, I got a body molding tool here so I could bring that wiring harness down. I'm going to need a set of side cutters, wire strippers, either of this sort here or this set, and I prefer their heat shrinkable, their weather seal connectors. All right, so in the name of consistency, you can tell that these wire colors are not the same. This one doesn't even have a stripe on it like this does, but what I've got here is yellow, and yellow with what looks like a blue stripe. So since that isn't going to clue me in as to which way it goes where, I'm just going to match the wiring harness here, top and bottom, in relation to the red safety clip. So in this case, I need the solid yellow wire first. Now, if you work on cars enough, and especially around these Jeeps, I don't think it's a matter of if, but more appropriately when you damage one of these little clips. Now, I found these on Amazon after doing a little bit of internet research. I put the part numbers down below in the description, and you saw it in the thumbnail. I'm going to get this wrapped up, put the heat shrink back on, and go to the other side. All right, everybody, I finished up on the passenger side. I'm getting ready to go over to the driver's side. Make sure you write this number down and get a couple ordered if you have broken plugs. If you're finding the right line for the first time, welcome. If you're returning to the right line, welcome back. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button and make sure your notifications are on so you get notifications of all my new content. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again next time.